Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to get offline Google Maps on iPhone. Getting offline maps is easy. Just make sure you have Google Maps installed on your iPhone. And here are the simple steps to get offline Google Maps on an iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone, open the Google Maps app, sign into your Google account, then connect to Wi Fi or mobile data. Search for the location, city, or area you want to save. Tap the location name at the bottom of the screen and tap download or download offline map. Adjust the map area by zooming out or in. Tap download to confirm and wait for the map to finish downloading. Turn on airplane mode to test offline access. Then open Google Maps and navigate within the saved area. Update offline maps periodically before they expire by tapping your profile in the top right corner. Tap offline maps, then tap the three dots and hit update. Take note, offline maps support driving, walking, and biking. Live traffic in transit directions need internet. Make sure you have enough iPhone storage space. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.